Hello everyone, welcome to this video where we are required to write down the equation of the line given its gradient m and its y-intercept c. So I already have the general equation of a line at the right hand side of the video, y equals to mx plus c. So all we have to do for this particular example would then be to substitute into this general equation. So I will have y equals to, my m is -3, so it's -3 x plus c. But because we are adding a negative value, so the final answer will be -5. I'm adding a -5. Okay. So moving on, same goes for this example when m is -1/4. So it's -1/4 x. And c is 1, so plus a +1 is here for +1. Moving on, same goes for this. I will have 4/9 x plus 0. And when we add a 0, the final answer, do we need to write down the 0? Nope. And so that will be the answer for this line. And the last example, y equals to, do notice the gradient is 0. 0 times x will also becomes 0. So we don't have to write it down. So for this particular question, y will be equals to -7. And we are done for this video. So if you like this video, do give it a thumbs up. Thank you for watching and have a nice day.